up arriving at the same conclusion about Roxanne. She has talent, lots of it, and in many different fields. A talented musician, Roxanne is a mainstay playing clarinet in the DDO band. She is also interested in music with lyrics that have something to say. She writes expressively in both English and in French. Others benefit from Roxanne's facility with language in a more practical way. They appreciate conferring with Roxanne because not only does Roxanne understand the math, but she explains it so well, and she is 100% focused when she is explaining. When Roxanne is on the ball, her mind is like a sponge. She can seemingly remember everything, and she draws and paints as well. To be able to understand, to memorize, to express, to explain, these are formidable attributes that enable one to go far in school, and Roxanne seems to have them all. But then again, success in school also depends on getting up in the morning, arriving on time, working as part of a group, doing homework on faith, even if you can't necessarily see the point of it yet. Oh well, we all need challenges in life. There is a saying that goes, never let school get in the way of your education. Roxanne is heading toward graduating, but she was adept at not letting school get in her way. Roxanne, it seems, will always be a free spirit, willing to put up with going to school. She will be taking her immense talent to Champlain College, St. Lawrence next year, where she will be studying psychology. Congratulations, Roxanne.